Back to working on the Yamaha DT100 motor, two-stroke. And the issue is when it was stored in the barn, nobody kept this covered, so it got real dirty. It does turn, everything turns, and the tolerances are within the limits, I'm pretty sure. And I took the side cover off because I'm going to have to split the case to clean all this out and then reassemble all of it. When I took the side cover off, though, I tried to get this thing off again. It just looks beautiful in there. It's really nice. I like it. I do have an issue. There's something going on with the drive sprocket right here. You know, I've got it. It just doesn't feel right, so I'm going to go through all the gears inside of here. So I'm ready to take the cylinder up. I've got to take the cylinder to the machine shop and bore it out, clean it up, and same with the head. I'm going to have them do this too. And I just got my piston in. This is a 52 millimeter piston, and I ordered a Wiseco piston that's 53 millimeter, one size over bore. And this was I got the pin. I already have the bearing somewhere else. Right here's the bearing right here. It's a Yamaha part. But this is kind of cool how the packaging is. Here's the rings right here, and this is the cylinder. It comes in this little bag. And the pins are inside of it. The pins or the clips for the pin are inside right there. And there's our new piston for the DT100 53 millimeter overboard. And they sent some stickers along with everything too, which is kind of cool. I like that. There we go. I'm off to the machine shop. I want to get this started, get this motor put back together. Thanks for watching. This hammock is Bliss Hammocks. Some dirt inside of here from my hair fragment, dark hair. And that's one heck of a what's this spider web kind of effect? Look at this. This is just... it's gotta have some other meaning than just... this is crazy. Wow. The biggest thing is this way they've weighed all this down over here. They're just weighing this down. It's an idea, huh? Why would they do it like that, though? That's just crazy. Hello. How's it going out here? You guys are little. You're the young ones, huh? Is that Mom? Oh. Good morning. How's it going, bud? Come on, I gotta get you out of the road. Look at you. Yeah. The boxwood. There you go. Everything in the box and taking it up to the machine shop. In fact, my upper ball joint for the Honda came in this box, and that's right here. I'll be doing that pretty soon.